The coffee bar just transferred to a new location and the place is undeniably pretty. Pero ang akong pangutana guys, kung lami ba ang ilahang pagkaon? Hello again guys! So for today's video, niadto mi sa ako ang bana diri sa The Coffee Bar. Naani siya sa The Peak sa G-Mall Davao. Aesthetic kayong place guys, diba? Dugay na ning The Coffee Bar diri sa G-Mall pero before they had a smaller place and now they just transferred to a bigger and better place. This is their menu guys. Feel free to pause it na lang to check out all their food and drinks offerings. They have various drinks, they have pastas, waffles, and they also have rice meals. They also have 2 function rooms that can cater to private events. Let's move on to the exciting part of my video, starting with the banana almond waffle for 140 pesos. And when I tried it guys, it was pretty good to be honest. Perfect kay ni siya na snack guys kung magtambay ka diri. Next na pud na kong gitry is the Alfredo pasta for 179 pesos. This is the size comparison and it's fairly big naman. When I tried it guys, it was okay but I'll be honest, feeling na ko dili na ko siya mahurot kay murag paspas lang ko masumol ani. But nevertheless, it was still good ha. Next na kong gitry guys is the Japanese beef curry. Now this one, itsura pa lang, lami na kay siya tan-awon. Partida guys, itsura pa lang na but when I tried it, yes, tama jud ko lami pud kaayo iyahang lasa. Wala lang ko naka-happy dance ani guys pero yes, this deserves a happy dance from me. It was so good. Next is the light chicken sandwich and this is for 195 pesos. And this is what it looks like up close. Medyo na-stress na akong bana at this point kay dili ko mo gamit og knife and fork pero bahala mo dira kaunon jud ako ni gamit akong kamot. Judge me na lang, charot. Kidding aside, I actually like this sandwich a lot. Lami kaayo siya. And napugos jud ko count sa akong veggies ani. Syempre guys, dili mawala ang panulak no. So we ordered cafe mocha for my husband and I got vanilla milkshake. And these 2 drinks did not disappoint naman and very refreshing. Especially kaning vanilla milkshake, murag balik-balikan jud nako ni siya. Now it's time for my overall rating guys. I give the food an 8 out of 10. Excited pud ko na i-try ang ilahang other food and drinks offerings sa future. As for the place and location, I give it 100 out of 10. Winner kay ni siya guys. Naa sa mall so daghang parking space and very nice gyud ang lugar. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye-bye!